Orico Y-20 comes in a branded thick cardboard box from Orico. On the front side there is an image of the drive and the model name, and on the back side there is a table with technical specifications. The package includes only the drive itself and the user manual. The Orico Y-20 case is made of black matte plastic. On the front side there is the manufacturer's logo and the model name, and on the sticker on the back, in addition, there is a serial number and brief technical specifications including the capacity 512 GD. The case has dimensions of 100x 77 mm. In the corners there are places for screwing in screws, allowing you to fix the device to the case of a PC or laptop. And on the front end, there are interfaces for connecting power and data cables. It does not take much effort to get to the SSD drive located inside. The halves of the case are connected only with latches, so you can disassemble it quite quickly even without tools and any damage. Inside we see a board with a Realtek Rimex RM135 controller, also known as Realtek RL6643, without a DRAM buffer, as well as an Intel 144L QLC PF29F4T2 and CQK1 512 GB memory chip. It's time to move on to tests, so we install the SSD drive in the desktop PC system unit. When you turn it on for the first time, you need to initialize and mark the drive using standard operating system tools. The Crystal Disk Info utility shows no host inclusions. The temperature information is fixed at 40 degrees, which means the temperature sensor is blocked in this case. Testing the drive speeds using the Crystal Disk Mark utility in the write read mode with blocks of 512 MIB, 1 GIB, 4 GB, and 8 GIB showed a maximum write speed of 519 MB/s against the stated 480 MB/s, and read speed of 552 MB/s against the stated 500 MB/s. Test results with the AEDAGE64 Disk Benchmark utility. The screenshot of the linear write test clearly shows the peculiarity of all bufferless QLC SSD drives, in which the maximum speed can be observed only at a quarter of the free volume of the drive, while the write speed remains at around 450 MB, after which the dedicated SLC cache is filled and the speed drops sharply to 30 MB. Considering that, as a rule, many SSD drive manufacturers often use the readings of popular benchmarks, such as Crystal Disk Mark, in the specifications of their products. According to the test results, the speed characteristics of the Orico Y-20 coincide with the real ones. That's all for me. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye everyone. Ciao.